Alright guys and gals, in this edition of Gen 3 Hemi Tech, we're going to be doing a product review of Ultra Bell by JW Performance. It's for a Gen 3 Hemi, and it's for a modern vehicle like a Challenger, Charger, Magnum, anything that come equipped with a Hemi. It puts the starter on the passenger side. As you can see, the part number there. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing and check it out. I haven't opened it up yet. That's what we've been waiting on. As you guys can see, it's very well crafted, like all the JW stuff. I run a 2-speed power glide in my Valiant, and it's got a JW Ultra case and a JW bell housing in it. This is for a T400 conversion in the Gen 3 Hemi. Alright guys, I wanted to show you what it looked like installed. It's a Turbo 400. Now this has an 8 bolt pattern acceptable. If you really want to, if you guys are trying to do this swap, you want to find a housing that has 8 bolts. This particular transmission is a T475. It's out of a motorhome. It's your 400 with normally it's got a brake on the back side of it. We pulled the rear brake assembly off. We put a Sonic's yoke on it. It has a recessed inner. This particular tail shaft has, or the output shaft has a bolt through it. The Sonic yoke slides over that and accepts it, so you don't have to change the tail shaft. I can get you guys the part number if you want, but here you guys go. JW Ultra Bell for your modern Hemi in a modern vehicle.